Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Stories with me, and today I am going to tell you how to speak good English. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Shahid, and today I will teach you how to speak fluently English. I know your English problem is gonna go away. Today I promise you that I will not testing your patience and I will not putting you into trauma. Nothing like that. It's actually simple. Because I am all about everything simple. Now this is the project. Okay, so hear me out carefully and watch this video in full. And listen carefully to what I say. What you have to do if you have to speak 20 minutes of English for the next 100 days. So in absolute terms, it's just 1000 minutes of you speaking in English. Now mind it, it can't be with an application and AI nothing. You couldn't be talking to AI, you have to do it with a real person. You have to talk in English with an actual human being, but that could be on the phone. That's alright, but it has to be a real person. You could do this in front of mirror. You can talk to yourself in front of the mirror. You don't need to go anywhere. You can improve your English by talking to yourself. This problem of your not being able to speak in English. If you do this and if you continue doing this for a few days, then one day this problem will end and you will start speaking good English. The best way to learn English is that we should always have English thought in our mind, and these thoughts should be repeated in your mind again and again. If we do this, English thoughts will keep coming in our mind and our English will keep improving. We should watch English movies. We should try to talk in English with different types of people who have good English. They will help us improve our English. If we continuously try to learn English and practice it, then one day we will be able to speak good English, because we all know that practice makes perfect. So friends, I want to tell you all of you that you should practice speaking, writing and reading English daily. And if you do this for few days, then I promise you that you will be able to speak good English. So friends, if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, my all dear friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.